Hello, everyone. Is Pi Network a scam or the project of the century? Is Picoin just worthless trash or a hidden treasure? If you don't believe in it by now, Pi from Us has no need to convince you anymore. Time will prove everything. The project will continue to develop, and the choice is yours. Your Pi, your choice. At Pi from Us, we will keep making videos about Pi Network based on real analysis and solid data. Watch, do your own research, and decide for yourself. Picoin is free to mine on your phone, a simple process. Or you can choose to buy it on exchanges for a small amount without it affecting your life. Looking at it from all angles, if Pi Network fails, we lose nothing significant. But if it succeeds, it could change the lives of those who believe in it and stay until the end. Let's be honest with each other. Pi Network doesn't force or beg anyone to join. Watch our videos, understand the project, and if it makes sense to you, get involved. If not, that's fine too. Simple, right? In today's video, we'll compare Pi Network with two big names in the crypto world to give you a clearer picture of its direction, Bitcoin and XRP. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Pi from Us delivers insights and analyses that no other channel or even the Pi Core team will tell you. XRP, a similar model to Pi Network. XRP, developed by Ripple Labs, operates on a decentralized system designed to facilitate cross-border payments, much like the SWIFT system. It enables fast and low-cost currency exchanges between banks. Despite legal hurdles, XRP has secured its place in the top 4 on CoinMarketCap. Now let's compare XRP to Pi Network. Total supply, both have 100 billion coins. Ownership, Ripple Labs holds 80% of XRP, while the Pi Core team holds only 20% of Picoin. Circulating supply, XRP has 58 billion coins in circulation, while Pi Network currently has 7.23 billion Pi. Current price, XRP is stable at $2, while Picoin recently dropped to 1.4. So, if you believe the anti-Pi critics who say Pi Network's supply is too large and that Picoin's price will collapse to 0.001s, look at XRP. It proves otherwise. Beyond that, XRP only solves one problem: international money transfers. Pi Network goes much further. Picoin is designed for everyday transactions. It is building a Web3 ecosystem for decentralized applications. Pi Network's potential extends beyond simple cross-border payments. It could redefine the way we use digital currency. Compared to XRP, Pi Network has the potential to solve more real-world problems in our daily lives. This gives Pi Network a much stronger price growth potential than XRP and its current 2.2 valuation. Most people only look at the numbers displayed on trading platforms without realizing that these figures can be easily manipulated by financial giants or even the exchanges themselves, colluding behind the scenes. When Picoin's price sharply dropped to 129, many pioneers discovered that BitGet and Gate.io had transferred a large amount of Picoin from their wallets to OKX. Is this normal? Why are these exchanges transferring Picoin to each other? Pioneers need to understand that exchanges must generate profit to survive, and simply collecting trading fees is not enough. The biggest source of revenue for exchanges comes from futures trading, where players bet on price movements, essentially a form of gambling. In futures trading, traders use massive leverage. If you have $1,000, the exchange can lend you up to 125 times that amount, allowing you to place a $125,000 trade. These price dumps and pumps allow exchanges to liquidate long and short positions, profiting as traders get wiped out. Even though spot traders, those who simply buy and hold, might benefit in some cases, their long-term mindset means exchanges don't suffer short-term losses. Exchanges only lose money when spot traders withdraw their assets. Until then, the exchanges continue to profit from futures traders. Once Pi Network is fully tradable on exchanges, it will also experience short-term price volatility. However, in the long run, Picoin's value will rise in parallel with the growth of the Pi ecosystem and its real-world user adoption. How high can Picoin's price go? The truth about Picoin's potential price is difficult to predict. Everyone has their own understanding and biases, and no one agrees with each other. That's why Pi from Us doesn't waste time arguing with anti-Pi critics. Your Pi, your choice. However, today, we will compare Pi Network with Bitcoin to reveal an eye-opening reality. Did you know that Bitcoin is not the most expensive coin today? If you only judge a coin's value by its price alone, your perspective is too narrow. Go to CoinMarketCap, check the rankings by price, and you'll see. Ponzio is the most expensive coin, priced at $9.3 billion per coin. OI follows with $43.4 million per coin. SEX, ranked third, trades at an astonishing $677,000 per coin. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is only ranked 12th by price. This proves that price alone does not determine a coin's true value. So, if people only compare based on price, then Ponzio, priced at $9.113 billion per coin, should be the true king of the market, right? The US should establish a reserve fund for Ponzio instead of Bitcoin, shouldn't it? Once you understand the deeper reality behind these prices, you will also understand Warren Buffett's famous remark: "If you gave me all the cryptocurrencies in the world, I wouldn't know what to do with them." Meanwhile, Donald Trump and the US government will do whatever it takes to increase America's global influence, because more influence means more power for the US. Bitcoin is the king of cryptocurrencies, so Trump also wants the US to dominate this space. But more importantly, China, America's biggest rival, holds a massive amount of Bitcoin. The US cannot allow China to surpass it. So establishing a Bitcoin reserve fund is essentially a strategic move to counter China. What about Pi Network? Did you know that China has banned all cryptocurrency activities, including Bitcoin, within its borders? Yet, Pi Network continues to grow freely in China without any government interference. In fact, the Chinese Pi Network community is the strongest in the world, and China holds the largest amount of Pi coin globally. Dr. C. Fan, the project's leader, have Chinese origins. It's clear that the Chinese government sees Pi Network's potential as a tool to strengthen China's position in its competition with the US. In China, anything the government doesn't ban is something they are silently supporting. Now that Pi Network is approaching a successful open mainnet, there's no doubt that the biggest power and benefits currently belong to China. This is precisely why Trump cannot publicly support Pi Network just yet. Doing so would only benefit China. We must wait until the US and China reach an equal level of influence in Pi Network. That's when the US government will officially recognize Pi Network, and it will likely become the second cryptocurrency to have a government-backed reserve fund, not XRP, ADA, or Sol. Final thoughts. Pifromus analyzes Pi Network based on real-world data and external factors influencing its development. Whether you understand or believe it is up to you. Time will prove everything. Frankly, we don't even bother arguing with those who refuse to believe in Pi Network. Good luck, pioneers. Your Pi, your choice.